Hello friends, this video is going to help the sales professionals and the people who wanted to sell something. And of course, the hack which I am going to tell in this video is going to help the not only to sell but also to make a good relationship with the customer. Keep watching so that you will understand what is that simple hack which will change a lot. As a salesperson, the customers will meet you, will see you in a different way. Let us understand what it is. You all must be knowing that we need to ask the right questions to the customer. We need to ask the open-ended questions to the customer. But what is happening is that some of the customers, some of the salespeople, they are not even knowing that why these questions are being asked. We are asking these questions to understand the pain, okay, understand the problem of the customer, which is associated with our product. Once the customer has explained the problem, then that itself is making you a platform, giving you a platform where you will be able to explain about your products, and you can tell that how this your product is going to solve the problem of the customer, right? This is a normal phenomenon, and if you are not knowing this, you can implement that and from the next minute, next sales call itself. But I am going to tell you one other thing which will enable you to 3x your sales. Okay, what is happening is some of the salespeople are interrupting in between when the customer is explaining their problem. That is okay. That is absolutely wrong. You need to stop that. But the other thing, what you wanted to do apart from this is that once the problem is being explained by the customer, do not jump directly into the product explanation or product detailing and sell. Don't try at that particular point. Give them another 5 to 6 seconds. Why this 5 to 6 seconds is because with this 5 to 6 seconds, customer is getting a window where he will be able to explain further more about his problem and what is that particular thing he wanted to share. He wanted to share with you the problem, how it is impacting their personal life or professional life. That is the point where you need to understand that the emotion is created. So you need to give the opportunity to the customer. For that, you need to give 5 to 6 seconds time and wait for that. You just observe whether this customer is opening up and explaining the impact of the problem. If he is not doing that, ask one more question, which is a structured question, a rightly structured question. And the objective of that question should be that how this problem is impacting his personal or professional life. Once the customer is explained this one, that means the emotion is created. Once the emotion is created, it is already, you are in a right platform where you will be able to sell your products. Take that customer directly to the closing. Create that emotion in each and every sales call. This will enable you to sell faster, sell more, and of course, you will be getting a long-term relationship with the customer. This is what every sales professionals are looking for. And this has to be implemented very fast, and check it and share your feedback, share your experience, how is the change you are feeling this one, and put it in the comment box. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.